What's up guys, Sam here from Bullion Hub. I'm trying to do a B with my hands. Yeah, that's a B. Bullion. Have no idea how I would do a H. Anyway, Bullion Hub here. How are you guys? Nice to see you back again. Thank you for joining me in today's video. As you can see, a parcel has arrived today from, let's have a look, it's come from Germany. To be honest, I do not remember what the hell it is. I don't remember. I ordered it, but I don't remember what it is. So I thought I'd wait and open it with you guys. I picked it up this afternoon at the post box. And yeah, let's go and see, and let's go and see what's inside. It's exciting. Now, I never know how to open this because obviously there's something inside I don't really want to cut through. So I'm just gonna try. There seems to be something here. So I'm just gonna try slipping up here, having a slit up there. Oh, I never thought about the table. Table's fine, everybody. Relax, table's fine. Okay guys, let's have a look. Oh, okay, so we can see it's there. So I can actually use the scissors now and cut through here. That's what I usually do to make sure I don't cut through anything, especially if you have documents or paperwork sent to you. You don't want to cut through the paperwork. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, we have another envelope inside another envelope. Oh. I'm not sure what it says there. It's in German. I think it's the sender's address. And this side, nothing on this side. Well, that's it. Yeah, nothing in here. We can throw that. Okay. Now, next. Okay. I'm going for the scalpel this time. What do you guys think? I see everybody have like really cool knives when they open their packages. Obviously, I've just got a basic pair of scissors and a burnt out plastic knife. Well, that's plastic, that's metal, whatever, aluminium. So I was thinking of getting like a cool knife just to open my parcels with you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Okay. Okay. Oh, let's have a look. This is very interesting. Looks like it's a bulb or something. Where are you? Oh, there she is. Oh, now I remember. Okay, so this is also crap. It's all got his address on it. Cool. Germany. This is from Germany. Okay, coolio. Let's have a look. Is it okay? Fine. I thought it was stapled on. No. Okay. That's cool. That's it. Okay, let's have a look what we have here. So we have a Liberty. There she is. Liberty. American Silver Eagle, and we can see it's a 1986. Okay, this is the obverse. Perfect. In God we trust, Liberty. Let's have a look at the reverse. We have the beautiful Silver Eagle. Again, United States of America. 1 ounce fine silver, $1. It never says. I wish they'd change it, especially now with the new design for 2021. I wish they'd actually put the purity. But anyway, it does not matter. Okay, so the reason I bought this coin is because of the year, which is the year they came out. I think that's right anyway. That's why I bought it, and I hope I'm right. So yeah, the year they came out, which was in 1986, that's when the first Liberties came out. So that's the reason I bought it. Okay, before I say goodbye, there's something I always do, especially when I buy a coin that's not from a certified place. Let's just get this out of the way. First thing I do, I should be wearing my gloves for this. That's it, we're back. Okay, so now I've got my gloves on. As I have mentioned in previous videos, always wear cotton gloves. Color does not matter when you're touching your silver coins, okay? Because if not, you can mark them and damage them, okay? So always use cotton gloves. So as I mentioned, as I did not buy this from an official dealer or official seller, I always make sure it is real before well, it's still new and fresh, and I can always return it. So one of the first tests I do, which I've mentioned on one of my videos, is I make sure it's the right weight. So let's turn the scales on. Now, okay, not all scales are exactly the same, as you might have noticed. I weigh myself. If you weigh yourself in a scales at home or in a clinic or somewhere, you always weigh a bit different. So I know my scales are a tiny weeny bit off. So these are not troy ounce. This is actually just regular ounces. So I forgot what 1 troy ounce was in normal ounces, but I do know in grams. So I'm gonna take it into grams. Stick it on there. Okay, not too far off. So I know 1 ounce of pure and 1 ounce troy ounce of pure silver, 3 nines, is around 31.10 grams. We're 10 well. So we're literally 10 milligrams off. So that is a good indication that this coin is real. But that's not the only test I do. Okay, so we know that's the test, that it's passed that test. Now the next one, which I also did on one of my videos, which I will be linking, is how to test your silver coins. So imagine you don't go to an official place, you go to a local place. Like I mentioned, I go to a local market, and I test before I buy them. So the other one we're going to do is the magnet test. So as I mentioned, I've got a mini tiny magnet, a midget magnet, and I've took my glove off so I can hold the magnet better. So what we're going to do is the magnet test. Side doesn't really matter, let's just do the eagle side. So I tilt it, I put the magnet on the top, and we let go. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's just do it again. I really need to get a bigger magnet, to be honest. It's a bit of a pain in the ass, this is. Oops. But as I said, I didn't buy it, I already had it. So, okay, let's go for it again. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Let's try this side. The side doesn't really matter. I know I'm not at the right angle, but pretty much instead of it just dropping down quickly, it slides down softly. I think you can see it from there. Yeah, I'm gonna do it closer, even though the magnet might fall off. So that's pretty much flat. That is at an angle. So let's go and do it. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Cool. So for me, I am happy. I think that for me that is real silver. So yeah, if you're interested to see my tests, there is many tests out there, but I only did basic 4, the ones I usually do. I'll be linking the link in the description below. Okay, and that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and that's all. Goodbye from now, Sam from Bullion Hub.